Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by verifying sync and updates. This fixes most call history issues. Open Settings, tap your name, then iCloud and make sure phone or call history, if present and contacts are enabled. Once done, go to Settings General Software Update and install any pending iOS update. Updates patch call log bugs. Make sure Wi-Fi is stable and plug into power so sync completes. If you're signed into multiple Apple ID, note which account holds your call history to avoid syncing mismatches. Now force a fresh sync and clear temporary caches. In Settings, toggle the phone/contacts iCloud switch off. Wait about 30 seconds, then toggle it back on so the device requests fresh data from iCloud. Next, perform a force restart. Press the correct button combination for your iPhone model to clear transient system issues that block call history updates. Once the device boots, open the phone app and stay on recents for a minute so iCloud can re-download and merge entries. This often restores missing calls. Finish by using Account Resync or a Restore if necessary. Sign out of your Apple ID in Settings, restart, then sign back in to force a full iCloud replication. This refresh often recovers call history. If that fails, restore your iPhone from a recent iCloud or Finder/iTunes backup made before entries disappeared. Backups contain call logs and are the reliable fallback. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing changes, check Apple's system status and confirm you're using the correct Apple.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.